Knee replacement, physical therapy, introduction. The knee joint moves up and down as well as side to side. Select true or false. Correct. The knee only moves up and down. Ligaments protect the knee from going sideways and getting injured. The two main muscle groups that make the knee move are the quadriceps and the... Choose one of the following options. 1. Hamstrings. 2. Ligaments. Correct. The two main muscle groups that create motion in the knee are the quads and the hamstrings. What your healthcare providers do for you when you go to your follow-up appointments is enough to rehabilitate your new knee. Select true or false. Correct. Your healthcare providers will guide and help you after your surgery, but it is ultimately up to you to strengthen your muscles and improve your range of motion. A heating pad will decrease pain and swelling. Select true or false. Correct. A heating pad will loosen up the muscles and increase the range of motion. You should check with your healthcare provider before driving or having sex after knee surgery. Select true or false. Correct. Thank you for using Explain.